The paint application on our spindle-type machines ensures a uniform and fast coating process. The OBM V series offers you a compact solution for spray painting applications on plastic, metal, and glass products. Spray booth modules can be designed with water curtain or dry filtration options, tailored to meet your specific needs. Pre-treatment, spray booth, flash-off, curing oven, and cooling zones can be customized and reconfigured based on customer requirements. Additionally, the number of booths can be easily increased depending on the required coating layers. For more detailed information about our solutions, visit our website or contact us today.